Welcome back to the channel, RV enthusiasts and adventure seekers, as we take an exclusive look at a compact travel trailer that is completely redefining the off-grid camping experience for two. Today we are exploring the highly anticipated 2027 Coachmen Remote 14R, a beautifully engineered recreational vehicle explicitly designed as a couples-only sanctuary on wheels. As the demand for lightweight, highly maneuverable, and rugged campers continues to surge, Coachmen has answered the call by delivering what can only be described as the absolute best of the best in the micro-camper segment. From the outside, the Remote 14R boasts an aggressive aerodynamic profile clad in durable composite materials and sitting on a heavy-duty lifted suspension system that practically begs you to leave the paved roads behind. Its compact footprint ensures it can be effortlessly towed by midsize SUVs and light trucks, while its robust off-grid package, complete with roof-mounted solar panels and high-capacity water tanks, guarantees that you can stay comfortably isolated in the wilderness for days on end. But the true masterpiece is revealed the moment you step inside the cabin. Recognizing that couples need a perfect blend of utility and comfort, the interior layout prioritizes a remarkably spacious primary sleeping area that transforms into a cozy lounge during the day. Despite its small overall dimensions, the engineers have brilliantly maximized every square inch, offering a highly functional kitchenette equipped with a deep basin sink, a high-efficiency refrigerator, and a dual-burner cooktop, allowing you to prepare gourmet meals no matter where you park. Furthermore, the Remote 14R features an exceptionally clever wet bath setup, a luxury often sacrificed in trailers of this size, providing the ultimate convenience of an onboard shower and toilet. Storage is absolutely plentiful, with deep overhead cabinetry and cleverly hidden compartments, ensuring you have plenty of room for all your outdoor gear and personal belongings. Large tinted windows surround the living space, flooding the interior with natural light and offering panoramic views of your campsite, while high-grade insulation and a powerful climate control system keep the cabin perfectly temperate, regardless of the season. In conclusion, the 2027 Coachmen Remote 14R is a monumental achievement in compact RV design, flawlessly combining rugged go-anywhere capability with uncompromised residential comfort, making it the definitive travel companion for couples looking to escape the ordinary and explore the great outdoors together.